Okay, let's go ahead and get started. It says which angle in the drawing below is obtuse, and we know it has to be more than 90 to be obtuse. So here is the symbol for angle. So we're looking at angle first, KLM. Follow the letters to see the angle. So here's KLM, and that is certainly not obtuse. That's a right angle, so I can mark that one off. Then it says angle MPR. M, do a different color. So MPR, and we can see that this angle right here is less than 90. So that's an acute angle, and we're looking for an obtuse. So now let's take a look at the next angle, PRS. PRS. Here's PRS, and there's the angle that they're talking about right there. And that's a lot, well, that's quite a bit more than 90, so there's my obtuse angle. Erase. Move on to our next one, 31. Which figure is a parallelogram? I realize you guys, well, you might have had some of that last year. But a parallelogram, the hint is in the word itself. So opposite sides, it's a four-sided figure, or it's a quadrilateral with opposite sides parallel. So we need to take a look and see if we have sides that are parallel. So is this side parallel to this side? Yes. And is this side parallel to this side? Well, there we go. We found our parallelogram. We could also call it a rectangle because it has four sides and four right angles also. So A is the correct answer. If you look in this line is not parallel because eventually they cross. And then if you look at, you have to be careful with this. You have to extend those lines. If you extended this line, and then extended this line, eventually they're going to meet way down here. So these are not parallel. So let me erase those. Okay. All right, so now let's look at this. We have this line is certainly parallel to this line. But this line will eventually cross it there, so that's only one set of parallel sides. This side is parallel, which makes this a trapezoid, by the way, only one set of parallel sides in a four-sided figure. And these two are parallel, but if we looked at this one and this one, they would eventually meet up here. So the only good answer is A there. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Which shape has a line of symmetry? Okay, so that means you can cut the shape in half and fold it and the two sides meet. Now they're giving you something to look for, two trapezoids. So let's start cutting this shape where we can. If I cut like that, well, that's certainly not a trapezoid on that side and not a trapezoid there. Okay. Let me cut this shape. Now, so we can see that this did cut, that line of symmetry cut that into two trapezoids. Let me check the rest of them. If I cut this one, no, that's certainly not a trapezoid, and that's not a trapezoid. And actually, this doesn't have any lines of symmetry. So that doesn't have any lines. So the only logical choice would be B. Again, they gave you that skill of symmetry and your shape in one skill. You got to be careful with that. All right, 33. Oh, guess I need to turn that over, don't I? 33. Patterns. You've been having patterns forever. Okay, so we got to find the pattern, what's going on from each to each, and I need to do that out so I can see the pattern. So I know that from 6,000 to 6,003, they added 3. From 6,003 to 6,009, they added 6. From 6,009, they added 9. So from 18 to 30, they added 12. From 30 to 45, they added 15. Okay, well, I can see each time they're adding 3 more than they did before, because 6 is 3 more than 3, 9 is 3 more than 6, 12 is 3 more than 9, and 15. So the next one, if we add 3 more to 15, is 18. So if I took 6,045, added 18, I know that's 13, 4, 5, 6. So my next is 6,063. So I know these two are out of the question. So now I need to go to my next. So the 18, the 20, 21 more than that. 21, 4, 8, 0, 6. So 6,084. That doesn't match. So there's my answer. Let's go on to the next one. Which choice has a total of 4,520? Again, you must write out these amounts. If you don't, you're going to miss these. So if I have 4,500s, that's 45 times 100. 45 times 1, 45, and 2 zeros. That's 4,500. And 52 tens. That's 52 times 10. So that's 520. No, because this amount is equal to 5,020. Can't be that. Okay? So let's go to the next one. Let me erase this. Okay? 4,500s, we just did that. That's 4,500. 20 tens, 20 times 10 is 200. So add those together. 4,700. That's not what we're looking for. 40 hundreds. Let me erase this again. So we've already eliminated those two. 40 times 100. That's 40 with 2 zeros. That's 4,000. And 62 tens. 62 times 10 is 620. 4,620, that's not what we're looking. So there's our last answer. It's got to be that. Let's try it. 38 times 100 is 3,800. And 72 tens, 72 times 10 is 720. And there it is, 4,520. Okay, let's take a look at 35. A school is collecting books for sale. The goal is to collect. So here's one of those got a goal in it. On Monday, the students brought 20 boxes of 18. On Tuesday, the students bought 10 boxes of 13. Which is the closest number of books the school still needs to collect to meet its goal? So, my goal is to reach here, but before I know how many more I need to collect, I need to know how many they collected. So 20 boxes of 18. That's 20 times 18. 20 doesn't need to be separated, but 18 can be separated. And 10 plus 8, that's 200. Plus 8 times 20 is 160. So on Monday, they collected 360. Tuesday, 10 boxes of 13. That's easy. 10 times 13 is 130. So 360 plus 130. So far, they've collected 490. How do I find out how many more they need? I'm trying to find the difference, so I subtract, regroup. Okay, 310, so which one of those is closest? Of course, that would be 300. 36. Which decimal is less than the fraction shaded on the grid below? We really haven't done much of this. Maybe a couple of you have. But anyway, this is a hundredths grid, so let's write the fraction for it. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 hundredths. We would write that as 0.40. 40 hundredths. Okay? We're looking for fractions that's less than 40 hundredths. Well, 46 hundredths is more, 50 hundredths is more, 40 hundredths is the same amount, so there's the one that is less. If you have any questions, you know to raise your hand and ask me.